Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So, this is revision lesson number 4. The lesson name is Our Feathered Friends. Okay, children. So, this is lesson number 4, Our Feathered Friends. So, this is revision. If you have already completed in the classwork, so please don't write in the classwork. Once again, you practice in the rough note. If you have not completed in the classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Lesson number 4, Our Feathered Friends. First main, hard words. First one, flying, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. Second one, gliding, G-L-I-D-I-N-G, gliding. Third one, creature, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E, creature. Fourth one, feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Fifth one, distance, D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. Sixth one, hopping, H-O-P-P-I-N-G, hopping. Seventh one, migratory, M-I-G-R-A-T-O-R-Y, migratory. Eighth one, long-necked, L-O-N-G-N-E-C-K-E-D, long-necked. Ninth one, vultures, V-U-L-T-U-R-E-S, vultures. Tenth one, mammals, M-A-M-M-A-L-S, mammals. So, these are the hard words. Once again, I am going to repeat. First one, flying. Second one, gliding. Third one, creature. Fourth one, feathers. Fifth one, distance. Sixth one, hopping. Seventh one, migratory. Eighth one, long-necked. Ninth one, vultures. Tenth one, mammals. Okay, children. Now, second main, answer the following. First one, why do birds fly? Answer, birds fly to travel to long distance in search of food and shelter. B-I-R-D-S, birds, F-L-Y, fly, T-O-2, T-R-A-V-E-L, travel, T-O-2, L-O-N-G, long, D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E-S, distance, I-N-N-S-E-A-R-C-H, search, O-F of F-O-D, food, A-N-D, and S-H-E-L-T-E-R, shelter. Second one, how many types of feathers does a bird have? Name them. Answer, there are 6 different types of feathers. They are flight feathers, contour feathers, down feathers, semi-plume feathers, bristle feathers, phyloplume feathers. F-L-I-G-H-T-F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, flight feathers. Second one, C-O-N-T-O-U-R, contour feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Third one, D-O-W-N-F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, down feathers. Fourth one, S-E-M-I-P-L-U-M-E, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, semi-plume feathers. Fifth one, B-R-I-S-T-L-E, bristle, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers, bristle, feathers. Sixth one, F-I-L-O-P-L-U-M-E, phyloplume, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. So, these are the 6 different types of feathers. Once again, I am going to repeat that one. First one, flight feathers. Second one, contour feathers. Third one, down feathers. Fourth one, semi-plume feathers. Fifth one, bristol feathers. Sixth one, filoplume feathers. Third one, how do birds fly? Answer, birds use some strong breast muscles to flap their wings and give them the thrust to move in the air. BIRDS birds. USC use. SOM is some. STRONG strong. BREAST breast. MUSCLES muscles. TO2 FLAP flap. THEIR there. WINGS wings. and GIVE give. THEM them. THE the. THRUST thrust. TO2 MOVE move. IN in. THE the. AIR air. Now fourth one. Name the birds which do not fly. Answer, ostrich, emu, cassowary, rhea and kiwi. OSTRICH ostrich, EMU emu, CASSOWARY cassowary, RHEA rhea, AND and KIWI kiwi. Next fifth one, give 3 uses of claws of birds. Answer, claws on the feet are used for grasping the prey, for perching, for scratching the ground and fighting. CLAWS claws, ON THE the, FEET feet, ARE USED used, FOR for, GRASPING grasping, THE the, PREY prey, FOR for, PERCHING perching, FOR for, SCRATCHING scratching, TH the, GROUND ground, and FIGHTING fighting. Claws on the feet are used for grasping the prey, for perching, for scratching the ground and fighting. Sixth one, name some birds that eat grains and seeds. Answer, sparrows, pigeons, peacocks eat seeds and grains. SPARROWS sparrows, PIGEONS pigeons, PEACOCKS peacocks, EAT eat, SEEDS seeds, AND GRAINS grains. Seventh one, name 2 flightless birds. Answer, ostrich and emu. OSTRICH ostrich, and EMU emu. Eighth one, why do birds build nest? Answer, birds build nest to find a safe place for the bird to lay eggs, incubate and raise their brood in relative safety. BIRDS birds, BUILD build, NESTS nests, TO2, FIND find, SAFE safe, PLACE place, FOR for, THE BIRD bird, TO2, LAY lay, EGGSX, INCUBATE incubate, and RAISE raise, THEIR there, BROOD broad, in INN, RELATIVE relative, SAFETY safety. Okay children, so these are the question answer. Next main, fill in the blanks. First one, in birds, 4 arms are replaced by dash. So in the dash, you must write wings. WINGS wings. Second one, the feathers which keep the body of a bird warm are called dash feathers. So in the dash you must write down, DOWN down. Third one, dash feathers help the bird to fly. So in the dash you must write flight, FLIGHT flight. Next, fourth one, a parrot has dash beak. So in the dash you must write hooked, HOOKED hooked. Fifth one, water birds have dash feet. So in the dash you must write webbed, WEBBED webbed. Sixth one, vultures and eagles dash birds. So in the dash you must write PREYING praying. Seventh one, a kiwi is a dash bird. So in the dash you must write flightless, FLIGHTLESS flightless. Next main, write yes or no to the following statements. First one, swallow has strong and chisel shaped beak. So in the bracket you must write NO no. Second one, a duck has a broad and flat beak. So in the bracket you write yes, YES, yes. Third one, birds like kiwi, crane and ostrich do not fly at all. So in the bracket you write YES, yes. Fourth one, the bird's bones are hollow and filled with air. In the bracket YES, yes. Fifth one, eagle, vulture and kite are called praying birds. So in the bracket you write YES, yes. Sixth one, birds use feathers to collect materials for their nest. So in the bracket you write NO, no. Okay, children, so these are the revisions of 4th lesson. Any doubt children? I think I could have understood this revision. So once again I am repeating that if you have not completed the classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Otherwise, if you have completed, practice in the rough note. Okay children? Thank you.